Alright, what's going on, YouTube? Have to excuse the use of a handy cam recording a computer screen. And you'll also have to excuse the best you can the fact that my video output is just kinda spotty. Kinda one-man banding this, and I don't really technically have all the equipment that I ideally should have in order to be able to do this. So I wound up having to sit here and do things like this, recording my screen with a handy cam. But anyways, to the point. I wound up discovering, well, I didn't really discover it, it was pointed out in another video that I was watching, and it was glazed over like its existence was already well known. Wound up doing some looking into it, and there is this fantastical add-on software. It's OBS NDI integration for using Nutex NDI technology. What's fantastic about this is what this does is it enables you to be able to send a video feed from multiple computers into one computer through OBS for the sake of multi-screen capture, like a LAN party, for example. So what you do is you go to this website, and I'll put the link. The link is going to be down in the description. You go over here, and let's see. Yep. Go to the download now. Yada yada. And then you want to get the installer that's for your operating system. In my case, I want the installer exe file for Windows. Download or save, yada yada, blah blah blah. Then I want to go ahead and install it, and I might as well close that over there. Right, so and it's going to install. It's going to do its thing, blah blah blah. And obviously it's going to pop up saying, "Oh, this folder already exists," yada yada. You want to click yes, because what it's doing is it's installing it to the OBS installation folder. Alright, now that that's finished, yada yada. Now, as you see, nothing popped up. So, whoa, that's just weird. Alright. So then your first instinct might be to go over and open OBS. You're going to wind up with this error message right here. And it's going to prompt you with a link. Oh, download the installer because the NDI runtime is not found. And you don't have anything going on. It's like, alright, well, the secret to this is you have to restart your computer. Now we take, focus. God damn you. But now we have OBS, no error message popped up. Now we have NDI output settings. Excuse my shaky hand. Now what's great is what you do is you'd go to that if you want to, like if you wanted to record from the computer, you'd set that up, you'd give it a name, and then you'd check enable NDI output. But before you do that, you'd want to go into your settings and make sure that like all of your output settings are set the way you want them to. Obviously my OBS settings are just all jacked up because I just reinstalled Windows not too long ago, and I haven't fully set OBS back up yet. But the other thing, this computer right here, this is my big old gaming beast. So this is the computer that I game on, and I would have other people connect, you know, their stream, would send their streams. Like right now I've actually got my wife's computer over there streaming. Now it just needs to be picked up. So I'd go down to source and I'd go up MDI source, then create new, yada yada, and name this one wifey. Click OK, and then here we got options. See, this one says little man, which is my son's computer, and wife, which is my wife's computer. So we do all that, and boom. Click OK. And the resolution for her game hasn't been set yet, but there it is. It's showing up right there. Now, we're gonna go ahead and do another add-on. Lil Man. Boink. And then we, bam. Do the same thing all over again. And start to cringe because his feed ain't showing up. Well, I guess I need to figure out why that is. Alright, I'm back. It's been a couple of days. I ran into a problem and then I got sick. But here we are. And the issue turns out that Windows 10 had messed up the video card drivers on my son's computer. Hence the black screen. It wasn't like what we were just seeing here is what was being shown on his computer screen when trying to boot the game. Like, had sound but no video. And it's just like, what in the heck? Yada yada yada. So it's like, alright. So but solved that problem, and now to my point. Bam! Here we go. We got the stream coming from my son's computer. We can see like running right here, and then there goes Claptrap running across the screen on fire on my wife's computer. So fantastic software. It's not perfect. It is minutely buggy. And you're definitely gonna want to make sure. Another problem that I just encountered as I was getting ready to continue this video is that we tune in here with the coloring. That is the amount of data coming into my computer at once on that one network card. So you're gonna want to make sure that your networking equipment can handle that. One issue that I was actually just encountering is that router right there can only do 100 megabit per second, and was trying to run both of these coming in through, because both my wife's computer and my son's computer was connected to that router. But now I moved one of them off, and it's on the gigabit switch right there, kind of dangling now, because cable management was awesome. And now, bam, both streams are coming through just fine, plentiful, nice and smooth. But yeah, this is how you would do it. So, I mean, I hope this video was useful. I hope this video was helpful. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while and could just never figure out how to do. This plugin for OBS is, from what research I've managed to do, it's like only 6 months or less old, and it is absolutely fantastic. And yeah, so boom, multi-screen, multi-cap gaming can now be done across a bunch of PCs without any additional hardware, so long as you don't have to upgrade your networking hardware. But like I said, you're going to you're going to, at least with the settings that I've got going on, which I'm pretty sure is just the default settings, got 2 streams coming into my computer. And I'm pushing 200 megabits per second coming in from those 2 streams together. So that's like 100 megabits per stream. I mean 100 megabits per second per stream. So you're going to want to make sure that, like, if you've got, you know, a few computers, you're going to want to make sure that you've got the network bandwidth and then your network set up to be able to handle the amount of data that's going to be running. And it's going to be about 100 megabits per second per computer from the looks of it. I don't really have any more computers to be trying to do this with to find out like how many you can do on a gigabit, but this is it. This is how it's done. So yeah, well, hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you hated it, hit that dislike button. Throw comments down in the comments section. Hit that subscribe button for more videos like this and gameplay videos. I am going to be doing some actual videos now that I have like this figured out, set up. I gotta do some more tweaking and whatnot, but I plan on pumping out some videos of gameplay playing like this, playing games like Minecraft, Borderlands, Diablo. Yeah, so hit that subscribe button so you can see my videos pop up. Make sure you hit the notifications icon as well. Throw comments if there's something I could have done better with this video. For crying out loud, leave a comment, some constructive criticism. Trolls, don't bother wasting your time, because I'm just going to block your shit. But actual constructive criticism, I am absolutely open for, and could always find that helpful. So, alright, I'm out for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.